Hello and welcome to the channel. This is dev.log logged in. So first thing I want to say is before I actually get into the main topic for this video is that if you are a regular to the channel and you have not yet subscribed for some reason, please do click on that subscribe button and also click on the notification bell next to it so that you allow for notifications. That way you are always notified for whenever I upload a new video. So for this video, I just want to talk about how I actually got my first internship. Let's get into it. So basically my first internship was through a bootcamp in software engineering, and this bootcamp was basically created through a collaboration of two companies, being a company called Capacity and a company called BCX. These two companies actually were not the only two companies involved. There were quite a few other companies involved in this venture. I had actually applied to quite a few graduate and internship programs, and this one was actually the first one that allowed me the opportunity for employment. So the idea behind this bootcamp was basically to allow for skills development in areas such as AI, machine learning in Python, data science, cybersecurity, and a whole bunch of other skills as well. So basically for 6 months, candidates would undergo training and development, and after that 6 months they would get an opportunity to actually work for one of the companies that were invested in the bootcamp. So the basic process would be, after that 6 months, candidates would go for interviews with one or a few of the companies that were invested in this project. And of course, if the company liked what they got from the candidate, then they would give this candidate an opportunity to intern in their company. And after 3 months of interning into this company, then they will return back to the training facility to learn for a further 3 months. And that's basically how the process went. But things didn't always go so smoothly. In fact, there were quite a few ups and downs where some candidates would return a bit earlier from their internships than expected because they weren't happy at the company at which they were placed. And in other situations, you would find that candidates actually got permanent employment even before like the 3 months internship ended. So I also went through the 6 months of training, and just like everyone else, I also went through the interview process and got interviewed by quite a few companies. So if you are a student or someone that is looking for employment, I would also encourage you to check into these companies, especially the one that says APSA Aliens. I think if you look into that, you might just find there might be something for you there. I'm not sure, I'm just saying, look into those companies. So as much as we went through the interview process, just like everyone else in the bootcamp, some of us were already picked out by BCX, mainly because of our performance in the first 6 months of training and development, which was awesome. And basically BCX had first pick because they were the major funding company for this bootcamp above all other companies that were invested in it as well. So I basically started my first internship at BCX. BCX is a great place to work at. The environment is just beautiful, and the building itself, both inside and out, is just amazing. So my first internship was through BCX, and through BCX I actually learned quite a few things. So I would also suggest that you look into BCX website. I think maybe you might find that there are a few things that they list there. I'm not saying you're gonna find a job there, I'm just saying consider looking into it. And if you find that they actually do maybe programming languages that you actually like, then maybe start aligning yourself to that if you want to actually get the best opportunity that you can get in getting employment there. So yeah, This video I've tried to keep as short as I possibly can. I have quite a few things going on, so yeah, I'm trying my best to keep true to my schedule and upload every week, and also keep true to my content and give you something that is actually meaningful or something that you can make use of. Yeah, and I hope I did that. If I did, please do like the video and also share it. There might just be someone who also might feel that they like it too. And if that's the case, then until my next video, this is dev.log signing off. Peace.